Good morning, my little kittens. Today we are going to do this makeup, which is really cute, and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like princess from Coachella. Coachella. So this is a look that it's pretty simple to do, but it will take you a little bit of time because you will need to diffuse that line very well to just have this soft look, or else you will just get that bold look that, I don't know, for me personally is not a go-to. I mean, I prefer softer looks because I feel like this suit me a lot better than those. So it's all up to you here, but I suggest you to make a softer look, not a bold one. Now let's go to the video. Okay, so first we're gonna apply the face cream. Today we're going to do a cut crease, which will be super cute because I made some braids, but I'm not really a fan of braids honestly, but I tried. I mean, they are not perfect, but I tried. Oh, I forgot to show you, this is the face cream that I'm using all the time, almost. It's from IBAN and it's clean inside. So first I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my eyelids because this conceals so nice. But first I'm gonna pour it on my hand. Oh no, I will apply it with my sponge. So we're gonna apply this on my eyelid. Oh, I forgot to turn on my light here. Dumbass. So this is very light, but I don't know, I just love this foundation and concealer because the coverage is super nice on this one, and I don't know, for me, I'm only using it on my eyelid, not on the face, because on the face I like to use that one from Maybelline, and this one I keep it only for my eyes. But now I'm taking it a little bit here too, under my eye. Now I will use this for my brows, this brow soap. Oh my god, I always struggle opening this shit. I don't know why, but I'm always struggling with this. So I'm taking some soap, and now I will apply it on my eyebrows. I'm looking for a brush, and now I will take some white eyeshadow and I will pat it here because I want to set this a bit, because I don't want to, I don't know, I don't want my makeup to just look bad. So I will set this. I will set the under eyes too with this, and now on this part too. Here you can also use like face powder to set this, but I don't know, I just like to do it with my white eyeshadows. Not a difference, but I don't know, I just prefer it this way. Now I will take a brown eyeshadow and I will make a line here. Sorry for not talking, I'm so concentrated right now here to not mess anything up. Now I will take this one here too. I will elongate this one a little bit. Now I'm taking this bigger brush and I'm dipping it into a light shade, and I'm just blending everything here. This bigger blending brush makes all the difference because this is making all look much more softer, and it's changing the game. Now I will take the same white eyeshadow and I will put it only here to create like a barrier into these two. You can also do this with concealer, but if you want a more soft eye look, I suggest you to do this with an eyeshadow. It will give you a much softer look. But if you want to achieve that really bold cut crease, you need to do it with concealer. So keep in mind that. But today we're going for something soft, so it's not the case here. Now I will add a little bit of this eyeshadow here. You can add your highlighter here or just a shimmery shade that you like. And I will add this here too. You can also do this when you start doing the eyes, because you will see much better where you will stop that line, where you will stop going up with the eyeshadow. Okay, we're finally done with these gems. So now we're gonna do a little eyeliner. So I'm taking this brush again with some black eyeshadow. And then, sorry, no more talk again for this part. Now I will put a little bit of mascara. Oh my god, my eyelashes are so long right now. If you want to see a video on how I grew them, let me know in the comments. And now the lips. As you know, I will use this thing because I love this thing. Reveal time. This should never get old. So I will use this pencil from Boys and Berries in shade Praline. And I'm gonna line my lip. I'm talking so strange. Am I a strange person sometimes? Oh my god, I can't stand that baby who's crying from my neighbors. Yeah, my neighbors again. The story of my life. Neighbors. Now I will use this Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream from Sleek in shade Birthday Suit. Okay, now we are done. Let me just take this out of my hair. Ouch. And ouch. This hurts like hell. I don't know. Are these braids suited for me? I mean, are they suiting me or not? I don't know what I feel about them. But this is the makeup, guys. This cat crease is even better for the outside, even when it's raining.